Hello and good morning to all the students of class 2. Welcome students for today's class. We are back to our grammar study now with the chapter number 4, adjectives. And before we get into the warm-up exercise, let me tell you the definition of an adjective. Words that describe a noun are called adjectives or describing words. Words that describe a noun means that modify a noun. ऐसे शब्द जो नाउन को एक नया रूप देते हैं वे शब्द एडजेक्टिव्स कहलाते हैं या डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स कहलाते हैं. सो एडजेक्टिव्स आर नॉट ओनली डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स बट दे आर ऑल्सो describing many other things. Like for example, here we have describing people. Adjectives describe people. For example, a naughty girl, an old man. See here the old man. So when I say a naughty girl, I am describing about a girl who is naughty in nature. And when I say an old man, I am talking about a man who is old, who has gone old. Now let's see describing places. Adjectives, they also describe places. For example, beautiful city, tall tower. Now when I say beautiful city, the word beautiful is an adjective word and city is place. Now tall tower, tall is an adjective word and tower is a thing. Okay. So now beautiful is describing about the city and tall is describing about the tower. Now let's see the tall tower here. Describing animals. For example, this is a playful rabbit. Now the playful is an adjective word and rabbit is an animal. So this adjective is describing or telling about rabbit, that rabbit is playful. A small kitten, small is an adjective and kitten is an animal. A friendly dog, friendly is an adjective word which is describing about the dog, that dog is very friendly. And here a small kitten is here. Okay, now let's see describing things. For example, purple flowers. See here, purple flowers. Which are the purple flowers here? See the color here. So purple is describing about this particular flower. Now a wooden chair. A wooden chair. Where is the wooden chair? An interesting book. So here the cat is sitting in a wooden chair and reading a book. Interesting is describing about the book. Now adjectives are describing words as we saw. How are they describing the words? The boy ran down the road. Now the boy ran down the road. Adjectives are describing words. Now here, which is the adjective here? Boy. Okay, adjective. So now ran down the road are words. So this boy is describing about the road, ran down the road. Now adjective, the naughty boy ran down the road. Naughty boy is an adjective and ran down the road. Words are, so this word is describing about the road. Now some more examples for describing words. I put on my jacket. Okay. Now I put on my soft colorful jacket. Some more examples like they went into the swimming pool. They went into the deep swimming pool. Now let's come back to the book for the warm-up exercise. Like pick a word from the box to describe each picture. In the box there are few words are given there which you will have to pick up and write underneath the pictures that you are seeing here. Like I have already done it for you. Elephant. Elephant here is huge. And Here the cat is playful. Cat is playful. Now here Joker is very funny. And who is this? Umbrella. Okay, this boy is having an umbrella. So it's raining. Okay, he is having an umbrella because it is raining. And here apples are juicy. Monkey is naughty. Then here cake is delicious. And here the vehicle is yellow color. The vehicle is of yellow color. Now let's turn the page. See here an exercise A. Read the story of the rooster and the jewel and underline the adjectives. Now we will read this story. On a bright day, a rooster went out for a long walk. He was looking for some tasty food to eat. He found a bright gem on the ground. "Cock-a-doodle-doo," cried the wise rooster. "It is a beautiful diamond. But what will I do with this big and shining diamond? I wish I had found a nice grain of corn instead." Now, in the exercise number B, what you will have to do? In the exercise A, what does it say? Read the story of the rooster and the jewel and underline the adjectives. Now, you will have to find out the words which are coming under adjective and underline the words. And in the exercise number B, fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives. Like adjectives are given here in the box: blue, yellow, little, red, juicy, long. So now we'll go to the exercise. This is also an story form. Peter was a rabbit. He had long ears. He ran around playing pranks. One day, Peter wore his yellow jacket and ran into a farm. He wanted to eat the juicy carrots there. On the farm, Peter met a little bird. It was blue in color. She said, "The farmer will be angry." But Peter plucked the red carrots and began to eat them. The farmer saw this. He ran after Peter with a stick. Peter ran home quickly. That means Peter Rabbit was very, very naughty. So the adjective words are filled here, students. You will only have to do the exercise number A. You have to underline the adjective words. Now let's go to the exercise number C. Take the word that best describe its picture. Like here there is a ant is there. Is it a large or a small? It's a small. And here there is a tower. Tall or short? Is tall. And here there is a ring. Is it ugly or beautiful? Is beautiful. Here there is a fish. Happy or sad? Is happy. Because it is smiling. Tongue is out. Now, here there is a doll. Okay. Doll, how does it look? Cold or hot? Is feeling cold. Now, adjectives can describe the color, shape, size and quality of a naming word. Adjectives can describe the color, shape, size and quality of a naming word. For example, color, yellow flower, red dress. Okay. Size, large, cake, tiny kitten. Shape, square, circular, eraser. Quality, wooden box, iron ball. Now, exercise number D. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. Write what they describe. Color, shape, size or quality. Now this exercise you will do it your own. You will read it and I have already done it. So you will go through these exercises and find out which are the adjectives words. So that's it for today, students. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you.